Goodbye tingling hands and weak legs. 8 collagen-rich vegetables you must eat. What if I told you that your body is breaking down and you don't even know it yet? After 60, there's a silent threat quietly stealing your strength: collagen loss. It's not something you feel all at once, but it shows up in ways you might already recognize. That tingling in your hands, the stiffness in your knees, the weakness in your legs. These aren't just signs of getting older. They're red flags that your body is running dangerously low on collagen. And here's the part no one talks about. By the time you hit 65, you may have already lost over 30% of your natural collagen. That's why your joints feel tight, your muscles begin to shrink, and everyday movements, like standing up or walking, start to hurt more than they used to. But here's the good news. You can fight back, and the solution may already be in your kitchen. In today's video, we're diving into 8 collagen-rich vegetables that naturally support your joints, muscles, and nerves, ranked from least to most effective. And vegetable number 3? It's a total powerhouse. Studies show it can actually rebuild damaged cartilage and reduce nerve pain by up to 40% in just a few weeks. But before we jump in, I've got a quick question for you. Are you feeling it more in your hands or your legs? And where are you watching from? Drop your answer in the comments. We read every single one. And don't forget to subscribe. Every video on this channel is carefully researched to support senior health, because you deserve to feel strong, steady, and confident every single day. Let's get started. 1. Parsley. This little green plant is packed with more vitamin C and vitamin K per gram than almost any other common vegetable, making it a vital ally for anyone over 60 dealing with joint stiffness, tingling hands, or weak legs. Just a handful of fresh parsley delivers more vitamin C than an orange, which is absolutely essential because without enough vitamin C, your body simply can't produce collagen effectively, no matter how much protein you eat. As we age, especially after 60, our natural collagen production slows dramatically, leaving our joints tight and muscles weaker. But parsley has the ability to help turn that around. Recent studies from 2022 showed that seniors who consumed more vitamin C had stronger tendons, more flexible joints, and thicker collagen layers, especially in vulnerable areas like the knees and hands. But vitamin C isn't the only magic parsley holds. It also contains epigenin, a powerful plant compound that reduces inflammation exactly where collagen is made in your body, helping you keep the collagen you already have instead of losing it to age, wear, and tear. Parsley even boosts glutathione, which is often called the body's master antioxidant. Glutathione works hard to protect your skin, cartilage, and ligaments from damage caused by toxins and free radicals, which can accelerate collagen breakdown. On top of all that, parsley's high chlorophyll content supports oxygen delivery to muscles and joints, speeding up recovery after any kind of strain or injury. Adding parsley to your diet is super easy and requires no big changes. Just toss a few tablespoons into your soups, salads, or smoothies, or sprinkle it over your roasted veggies. These small daily doses can have a huge impact on reducing symptoms like tingling fingers, aching joints, and legs that feel older or weaker than the rest of your body. So don't just treat parsley as a garnish. Think of it as medicine, one of the most powerful collagen-restoring plants you can find right in your own kitchen. 2. Asparagus. Asparagus might look like just a simple, elegant green stalk on your plate, but it's actually a true superhero when it comes to protecting and rebuilding your body's collagen, the very stuff that keeps your joints flexible, your skin firm, and your muscles strong. After the age of 60, many people start to notice their bodies feeling a bit more fragile. Joints can become loose, skin loses its youthful bounce, and muscles don't hold their strength like they used to. This all happens because the connective tissue that holds everything together begins to fray, and collagen production slows way down. That's where asparagus steps in as a natural rescue kit. One of asparagus's greatest benefits comes from glutathione, often called the master antioxidant. This powerful compound doesn't just fight harmful free radicals floating around in your body. It actually goes straight to the source by protecting and preparing your collagen fibers. A study published in 2020 found that seniors with higher glutathione levels had stronger bones, thicker collagen layers, and fewer signs of aging in their tissues, proving just how important this antioxidant is as we get older. But asparagus doesn't stop at protection. It also helps rebuild. It's rich in vitamin K, a vital nutrient that acts like a traffic controller for calcium, guiding it to the bones where it belongs and away from soft tissues and joints where it can cause stiffness and painful nerve compression. This means less joint pain and more comfortable movement. Asparagus also delivers folate, a B vitamin essential for repairing DNA and renewing tissues, which are crucial processes for making healthy new collagen. Plus, asparagus contains prebiotic fiber, which nourishes the good bacteria in your gut. Why does that matter? Because a healthy gut helps your body absorb and activate other important collagen-supporting nutrients like vitamin C, zinc, and magnesium. In short, asparagus quietly works behind the scenes to patch up your body's framework, strengthen your connective tissues, and help you keep moving with more ease and less pain. If you want to support your joints, skin, and muscles naturally, asparagus deserves a place on your plate every week. No fancy tricks needed, just real food working hard for your health. Free seaweed. It's loaded with powerful minerals and compounds that naturally activate collagen production in your body. Things like iodine, alginate, and fucodine found in seaweed help stimulate fibroblasts, the cells responsible for rebuilding and repairing damaged tissue, giving your body the tools it needs to heal and strengthen from the inside out. Beyond that, seaweed delivers important trace minerals like copper, zinc, and manganese, all essential players in the collagen-building process. Research published in respected journals like Marine Drugs and the International Journal of Biological Macromolecules reveals that fucodin, a special compound in seaweed, not only boosts collagen but also reduces inflammation and helps aging tissues become more resilient. But seaweed's benefits don't stop there. It's also packed with omega-3 fatty acids, plant sterols, and natural iodine, which support your thyroid gland, a critical part of your body's ability to repair tissues and maintain overall health. In fact, a 2021 clinical study showed that seniors who took seaweed extract experienced less joint pain and faster recovery of their tendons, which means less stiffness and more freedom to move. Incorporating seaweed into your diet is easier than you might think. You can enjoy unsalted nori sheets as a snack, toss seaweed flakes into soups or salads, or even blend them into smoothies for a gentle but powerful collagen boost. This humble ocean vegetable works quietly yet effectively to rebuild your body's framework, helping you say goodbye to those tingling hands and weak legs for good. If you want to support your body's natural healing and keep moving comfortably, seaweed is a must-have addition to your kitchen and your health routine. For beets. If your legs often feel heavy, numb, or cold, beets could be the lifeline your body has been quietly craving. These bright, earthy vegetables are often overlooked, but they pack a powerful punch when it comes to restoring blood flow and rebuilding collagen, two critical systems that tend to weaken after you hit 60. Poor circulation is a sneaky culprit that starves your tissues of the oxygen and nutrients they need, slowing down the natural production of collagen that keeps your joints flexible and your muscles strong. What makes beets so special is their high nitrate content, which your body converts into nitric oxide, a natural molecule that relaxes and opens up blood vessels, allowing oxygen-rich blood to flood your tissues. A 2019 study published in Nutrients found that drinking beet juice daily increased blood flow to the legs by 21%, helping seniors improve their walking endurance and even boost muscle activation in the quadriceps. But beets do more than just enhance circulation. They also contain betanin, the powerful antioxidant that fights oxidative stress, the very process that breaks down collagen and speeds up aging. On top of that, beets are rich in folate, a B vitamin essential for repairing tissue and protecting your collagen by reducing the damaging effects of homocysteine, an amino acid linked to inflammation and tissue damage. Adding beets to your diet is easy and delicious, whether roasted to bring out their natural sweetness, steamed to keep their nutrients intact, or juiced for a quick, potent boost. Just remember, boiling beets can wash away those precious nutrients, so it's best to avoid that method. If you're tired of heavy, weak legs and want to restore your strength and vitality, beets might just be the secret weapon you've been missing. It's time to let this vibrant vegetable work its magic and help you regain the freedom to move comfortably every day. Before we dive back in, if you've been feeling those tingling hands or weak legs creeping up, don't wait to take action. Try adding one of these collagen-rich veggies to your next meal, maybe a handful of spinach in your smoothie or some roasted beets with dinner. Small changes like these can make a big difference over time. If this part is helpful, drop a quick yes in the comments so I know you're with me. I truly appreciate every message because it helps me create videos that really support your health journey. 5. Broccoli. What makes broccoli so special is a compound called sulforaphane, which works like a switch that turns on your body's natural repair genes. This helps protect the fibroblasts, those crucial cells that create collagen, and speeds up the healing of cartilage. In fact, a 2020 study published in the Journal of Cellular Physiology found that sulforaphane can actively support cartilage repair, something seniors desperately need to keep moving without pain. But that's just the start. Broccoli is also loaded with vitamin C, vitamin K, calcium, and glucosinolates, all nutrients that team up to build new collagen, preserve the fibers you already have, and boost bone strength and nerve health. For anyone feeling tingling or weakness in their hands and legs, broccoli's antioxidants work to calm the damage and inflammation around those nerves, giving you relief and supporting long-term health. Plus, the high fiber content in broccoli helps keep your blood sugar steady. This is important because high blood sugar isn't just a risk for diabetes. It also speeds up collagen damage and can worsen joint pain and stiffness. So, adding broccoli to your meals is like giving your body a full support system, a natural way to protect, repair, and strengthen everything from your bones to your nerves. If you want to fight back against the aches and weakness that come with aging, broccoli might just be your new best friend on the journey to stronger, healthier hands and legs. 6. Okra. That slimy green pod you might be hesitant to try. Okra is actually a hidden gem when it comes to saving your collagen and protecting your joints. I get it, okra's texture isn't everyone's favorite, but don't let that stop you because this veggie is packed with powerful benefits, especially for anyone over 60 struggling with aching joints and tingling hands. Okra is rich in mucilage, a natural gel-like fiber that acts like a cushion and lubricant for your joints. As we age, collagen levels drop, and that leads to joints drying out and becoming stiff and painful. Okra helps restore that cushion, easing stiffness and reducing inflammation. But there's more. Okra contains pectin, polyphenols, and a rare compound called rhamnogalacturonanin, all of which work together to stimulate your body's collagen production while fighting oxidative stress that damages cartilage. In 2021, a study published in Pharmaceutical Biology found that okra extract significantly reduced joint inflammation and increased collagen density in cartilage, which is exactly what you need to feel more flexible and less achy. On top of that, okra is loaded with essential nutrients like vitamin K, which supports bone strength, vitamin C that activates enzymes critical for collagen creation, and manganese, a key building block for collagen itself. It also has quercetin and flavonoids, natural compounds that protect your nerves, helping to ease numbness or tingling in your hands and legs. So if your joints feel dry or your legs feel weak, okra might just be the natural rescue your body's been begging for. Give this slimy green pod a chance. It could be the game changer for your joint and nerve health that you never expected. 7. Spinach. Don't let spinach's simple, mild taste fool you. This leafy green is a powerhouse when it comes to protecting your joints, nerves, and circulation, especially as you get older. Spinach is packed with vitamin A in the form of beta-carotene, which plays a key role in keeping your collagen-producing cells, called fibroblasts, active and working hard. Without these cells, your body can't make or repair collagen effectively, which means your joints get stiffer, your skin loses its bounce, and those annoying tingling sensations in your hands and legs become worse. Spinach also brings lutein and chlorophyll to the table, two incredible compounds that help flush out harmful toxins from your body and lower chronic inflammation, which is one of the biggest causes of collagen breakdown. But here's something that many people don't realize. Spinach is also an excellent source of magnesium, a mineral that over 60% of seniors don't get enough of. Magnesium is absolutely vital for muscle function, nerve signaling, and activating the enzymes your body needs to produce collagen. A 2018 study showed that older adults with higher magnesium levels had stronger connective tissue and were much less likely to suffer from nerve pain conditions like sciatica or carpal tunnel syndrome. And if you've ever dealt with stiff fingers, weak legs, or that constant pins and needles feeling, spinach has your back here too. It contains natural nitrates that boost blood flow to those hard-to-reach places, your fingers, toes, knees, helping reduce stiffness, speed up healing, and ease nerve discomfort. So if you want to support your body's natural collagen repair and feel stronger and more flexible every day, adding spinach to your meals is a simple, delicious step you don't want to miss. It's quiet, unassuming, but incredibly powerful, just like the support system your body needs as it ages. Red bell pepper. Red bell peppers often get overlooked or dismissed, but this bright, crunchy vegetable might actually be one of the best weapons you have against the effects of aging. Every crisp bite of a red bell pepper is packed with vitamin C, the absolute key nutrient your body needs to build and repair collagen. After you hit 60, your natural collagen production takes a serious dive, almost flatlining. And that's when your joints, skin, and muscles start to feel the strain. But here's the good news. Just half a cup of red bell pepper provides over 150% of your daily vitamin C requirement, giving your body the fuel it desperately needs to activate the enzymes that turn protein into strong, flexible collagen fibers. This isn't just theory research. Published in the Journal of Clinical Nutrition in 2020 showed that seniors with higher vitamin C intake had stronger grip strength, walked faster, and had less inflammation throughout their bodies. But the benefits don't stop there. Red bell peppers contain capsanthin, a powerful antioxidant that specifically protects your joints and nerves from damage, especially in high-stress areas like your knees, wrists, and fingers. That means fewer aches, less stiffness, and better overall movement. You don't have to cook red bell peppers to get these benefits. In fact, eating them raw in salads, dips, or added right at the end of cooking preserves their precious vitamin C. So if you're ready to say goodbye to tingling hands and weak legs, adding red bell peppers to your meals is a simple, delicious, and incredibly effective step toward rebuilding your body's strength and resilience. Your joints and nerves will thank you, and you'll feel the difference every day. If you start adding just a few of these powerful vegetables into your weekly meals like bell peppers, spinach, okra, broccoli, beets, seaweed, and the final two we'll cover in the next video, you're not just eating healthy, you're actively rebuilding your collagen, reclaiming your strength, and giving yourself the best chance to stay independent and full of life for years to come. Remember, small changes add up to big results, especially when it comes to feeling strong in your hands and legs. By the way, I saw some of your comments about whether you're dealing more with tingling hands or weak legs drop. Your answer again below. I want to hear from you so I can make future videos that really help with the challenges you face every day. If this video gave you even a little hope or helpful info, please hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the rest of this important series. We share simple, carefully researched tips every week designed just for seniors who want to feel steady, strong, and thriving well into their golden years. Thank you so much for watching. Stay strong, stay hopeful, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button. It really helps the channel. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on future videos. I'd love to hear your thoughts, so drop a comment below and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.